How to fix microphone not working on Instagram in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on Instagram. Now here you can see the microphone option. If you turn off microphone, then turn it on. After turning this button on, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on general. Now click on iPhone storage and then click on Instagram. Now here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.